Hello, everyone. This is Miss Tanya, and I have a story for you. I'm reading a story from Highlights Hello. Let's see what story is inside today. This is a poem. Rainy day. Plip, plop, plip, plop. The rain is falling drip by drop. Ducks and frogs come out to play. On this puddle splashy day. Let's talk about what we see in the picture. So we know it's raining. All the drips and the drops. We see all the lilies in the pond. We see a frog leaping. We see a baby duck. We see a mama duck. And we see another frog. And that looks like it's a frog back there. Yeah. And there's another frog. Let's count the frogs. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 frogs. This one is really having a great time. He's leaping. And so is this one. He's backstroking in the pond. Let's see how many ducks. The little ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 ducklings and 1 mama duck. This one right here, he's using the leaf to keep him, like an umbrella, to keep himself dry. And this is like a little mini pond. And he's sitting with the frog. Nice story. Always encourage reading. Reading helps children to learn new sounds, new words, and language development and early literacy skills. So until next time, bye-bye.